Hello, welcome back to German Brew. Normally I wanted to make this blackberry mead, I already started, but the new auto siphon I buy is broken. That's not good, and that's why this one, not today. That's why we make today a tasting. I have this one in my cabinet for over a year. We started in July the 10th, 2022. It was finished, or I bottled it better, in December the 3rd, 2022. So it's already almost 2 years old. It just has 10 ABV. It was an orange mead. So the video is here now, if you miss it. And yes, it's the mead we still make in Berlin. And it's perfectly clear, but we will see it in a moment. No, a little bit fizz. Perfectly clear. Oh yes. That's a 10. And we have a little bit sparkling left. Wait, I will show you. This is amazing, or? It's completely clear. You can see everything through it. Nice sparkles. And now, the smell is great. You have the honey. Most is honey. I think it's fermented a little bit more because 10% only. We started there at 1.110 and ended at 1032. Normally it's sweet. And that explains why it makes more sparkles. So yes, you have the honey. Not so much the orange. Wow. Really nice, fresh. Wow. Nice carbonated. Really sweet, but honey sweet. But it also has something fruity. Because I'm using just the orange peel, it's not so much acid inside. It's just really the fruits, the honey flavor. The sparklets fit perfectly. Just remember me, maybe I need to make a sparkling wine again. The problem is, if you make in Germany sparkling wine and want to sell it, you have a special tax on it. That's really confusing. Really fruity. It has some citrus flavored. I cannot say it's orange. It's more like a mandarin. Not like orange, more like mandarin, because of the sweetness, of the nice flavors. The honey flavor fits perfectly to the mandarin orange flavor. The color is amazing. The sparkling is nice. Really good mead. I didn't know that I have something so good in my cabinet. I'm confused. It just has 10% alcohol, so also not too much. It's a nice summer drink. Yes, something you can drink sitting in your garden, in the sun, drink some mead. It's great. So, if you miss a video today, how I make mead. Here, like I said, is the original for this mead. Really nice flavor, and we see us the next time. Bye.